So, the practical that we will be looking at today, or the practical which will be demonstrated today, that practical is variable regulated power supply using LM317. Okay, so what is our aim? Our aim is to study the variable regulated power supply and calculate line and load regulations using LM317 regulator. Okay, so this LM317 is the voltage regulator IC. Regulator means what? It regulator its output, means keeps its output, regulates its output, means it keeps its output constant. Okay, so how does it keep its output constant? That we will be demonstrating for today's practical. So this is variable regulated power supply using what? LM317. So this is the actual circuit diagram of LM317. But before looking the actual circuit diagram, let us to make it more simplified, let us study at very first the block diagram of regulator. Okay, block diagram of, in fact, voltage regulator. Very simple block diagram is there. So instead of block, I have drawn here a transformer symbol. So this is AC alternating current, 230 volt voltage. AC means this is the symbol of transformer. This voltage is AC, that means across these two terminals there will be AC voltage. Across these two terminals there will be AC voltage. But mostly we use for the rectification and regulation purpose transformer, which is step down transformer. So it converts, transformer converts AC to AC. Here the transformer that we are using, it converts high AC voltage to low AC voltage. Now next is the rectifier. Rectifier that we have used for our circuit diagram, that is the rectifier using diode. At the output of rectifier you will be getting direct current. After that there is a filter. Simply a circuit is a filter is a circuit which again removes the AC components from the DC output of rectifier. Okay, at the output of rectifier it is expected that we should get pure DC, but pure DC is not obtained. Along with DC there are few unwanted components, and one of the unwanted component is the AC component, and these AC components can be removed using this filter. Again, the filters removes AC components and again purifies the output of rectifier. That means purifies means it removes. Purification means what? Removing dirt. Here purification means removing AC. Here at the output of rectifier we are getting DC, but along with AC. This AC can be removed using this filter. Again, here it is a regulator. Regulator circuit will again keep the output constant. Okay, so how does this regulator keeps the output constant, and what are the what are the factors which may vary during the practical purpose? Those factors we will be seeing while demonstrating the practical. Okay, after that we will come to the actual diagram of the power supply using LM317. Now, as I have told you earlier, this is the line voltage. Simply name is there. What I have said there, AC voltage. AC voltage is nothing but the line voltage. Again, this is the transformer. This transformer is a step down transformer. These are the primary windings, these are the secondary windings. T for what? Transformer. Again, C is there, which is nothing but center tap. Again, two diodes are there. Here it is a capacitor. Here voltmeter is used. Instead of voltmeter you may use the multimeter for measuring the voltage. Again, this is LM317 regulator, okay, that we will be seeing. Then afterwards, here it is a pot, okay. So instead of pot, you may use various values of resistances. Pot, between these 2 points, whatever voltage is there, that voltage will be varied. Whatever resistance is there, that is going to be varied, okay. So for practical purpose, I have used separate resistances. When you move the shaft of this potentiometer, the resistance of potentiometer changes, okay. So I have used for practical purpose various resistances to, in order to get more precision. What is precision for this practical, I will be demonstrating afterwards. So this is R1, which is 100 ohm value. Again here it is capacitor RB, and here it is VO. You can measure with what? VO you can measure with the help of what? Multimeter. So let us demonstrate the practical of variable regulated power supply using LM317. Let us use this LM317 for the line regulation, okay. So what is the observation table for line regulation? So here it is the line voltage. Here it is voltage drop across capacitor, that I will show you, output voltage, and this is line regulation. This we have to calculate, okay. So let us see. Here we are connecting the dimmerstat, okay. So this is the dimmerstat. So this is nothing but line voltage, okay. This voltage, so actually this is alternating current, you know better, and this is the line voltage, okay. So if you want to vary this voltage, I have used here what? A dimmerstat, okay. So when you vary this shaft, when you vary this button, you will be getting the changed output, okay. So what kind of change we are getting, that will be looking at now, okay. So this kind of change we will be observing, okay. So this is dimmerstat. This is called as dimmerstat. This dimmerstat is nothing but it is a step up transformer, okay. So what is step up transformer? It enhances actually what should I say, step up transformer, it has secondary turns more than that of what? Primary turns, okay. So instead of going into much detail of this dimmerstat, let us try to know how the output voltage of this dimmerstat varies, okay. So these are the two terminals, okay. These are the two terminals where you can get output of this dimmerstat, okay. So for studying the line regulation, we are using this kind of dimmerstat, okay. So this dimmerstat. So now just see here, these are the points, these are the digits with the help of which we are knowing the value, okay. Now at this point, is it not, the actual voltage measured by the digital multimeter is what? 167, okay. After that I will just move this knob, okay. So the voltage will go on increasing. See, what is the purpose of using this dimmerstat? The purpose of using this dimmerstat is to change the output of AC, to learn the AC line regulation. Line voltage means what? The voltage we are getting at these two terminals, okay. Line voltage means what? The voltage that we are getting at these two terminals, okay. Now what we will be doing? We will be starting from what? 170, okay. We will be starting from what? 170. So this is 170 volt voltage, okay. Now don't think of this actually. First point after the decimal point. After that, see what I have done. This dimmer stat output is connected to the input of transformer. Okay, input of transformer. Dimmer stat output here. These 2 points I have connected to the input of the transformer. Okay, see, don't get confused between what? Don't get confused between transformer and dimmer stat. See, the transformer that we are looking at for practical purpose, that is this transformer. We are using this transformer is this. Okay, and for this transformer we are providing at input line voltage. Okay, so this line voltage here in this case for line regulation will be this voltage. Okay, see now, if you observe, this is the transformer wire. Okay, this transformer wire, this is the transformer wire, and the pin of this transformer wire, to the pin of this transformer wire we have provided this variable power supply. Okay, are you getting? So this is the transformer dimmer stat output. This output can be changed. We want this gate changed for the studying line regulation purpose. Okay, then output of this dimmer stat to the transformer. Okay, this wire connection is nothing but it has come to the input of transformer. Okay, so in the diagram you can find this. So actually at this point I have connected what? Dimmer stat output. That we will see why I have connected like this. Otherwise, for the load regulation purpose, you will connect these two directly, this AC mains. That means this point, the transformer's wire will be connected to what? Here, AC. Okay, as we are studying the line regulation means what? We have to change the line voltage. Okay, for in this diagram this can be connected, that means this is transformer, this is transformer. Okay, so this transformer is to be connected at this point for the practical purpose, for the as shown in diagram, that we will be connecting afterwards. For now, for studying line regulation, what I have connected? I have connected this dimmer stat output to the transformer. Okay, input of transformer. So this will be AC, varying AC voltage. This will be varying AC voltage. And when you connect this in this, here it will be 230 volt. Okay, but here it is the varying AC voltage for studying line regulation. So let us see how to use this. Okay, now transformer is there. Again, two diodes are there. Here again transformer LM317, and instead of potentiometer we have used resistances. Okay, instead of potentiometer we have used what? Resistances. Now we'll come to the actual reading of the circuit.